Hello traders, I'm going to analyze the BTC chart. I'm in the weekly time frame. Actually, we can see a resistance. You can trend line tool kit and you can select the trend line rate and mark the previous all-time high, the 2018, 2017 previous all-time high and 2021 all-time high and mark the resistance level. And we can move to the daily time frame and adjust the parallel. We can adjust the previous levels. Okay, we can mark the previous high, all-time high. That's okay. Set to that, and you can see this resistance level. Market is mostly respect this level, this trend line. You can see market is consolidate this area. Actually, you can see a inner head and shoulder pattern. You can select the patterns segment and select the head and shoulder pattern tool, and you can move to the line chart and mark the head and shoulder pattern. Now we can move to the resistance, and actually we can use the line, not line chart, we can use the candlestick chart, no problem. And we can get the target this point. We can get the target this point and neckline, head and shoulder pattern neckline. Market will move to this trend line top. We can put the breakout point and we can mark this point. $149,853. That is the price level market can be reached this bull run. Actually, now we can mark the support level. Therefore, we can use the trend support area. Therefore, we can use rectangle tool, and rectangle tool we can use and mark the support area. We can reduce the level. That is no problem. Okay, perfect. Now we can mark the another support area. And we can reduce the support area, and we can this area is perfect and can reduce. Okay, perfect. That is another support area, and we can see actually rising wedge pattern. This is a high hidden rising wedge pattern. We can select the trend line to lines and trend line, select the trend line tool, and we can draw the rising wedge pattern. you can see a rise in wedge pattern. Actually, market is going to up movement in the rise in wedge pattern. This is my first scenario. Is market is going up, and this area we can mark there is a parallel channel. You can go to the line segment and choose the parallel channel tool, and we can draw the parallel channel. We can adjust this, and you can see a parallel channel. This parallel channel is you can see a flag pattern, and this flag pattern and flag pattern target is this area. Actually, maybe possible flag pattern target reach the market, and in the rising wedge pattern. Actually, we can use the fixed range volume profile and similar to we can put the similar to swing high, and you can see a volume reach the market this area. This is a point of control. POC level going to this area. Market get can be support and value area high and value area low. Market is reached this area and going up, and this area too there is a CME gap. Market should the fill that CME gap and going to up move. So now we can get the RSI divergence. Actually, there is a RSI divergence. We can move to the line chart, and this point we can mark, and there is a divergence this point to this point. You can see clear divergence, regular bearish divergence. Therefore, market should market should be down in the next few days. That is only market update for today. This is not a financial advice video. This is educational purposes, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and comment below. Thank you.